Okay, now to use that in the script, we have a API called sn_dt dot decision table API. Okay, so this is the API we'll use to run the decision table. Okay, so how we'll initialize that? So let me just go and initialize that variable dt is equal to new sndt decision table API. Okay, now okay, this will be variable. Okay, to the function of this API we need to pass the inputs. Okay, so let's create the inputs first. Inputs is equal to, that should be an object. Okay, and the first input we have created here two inputs, right? One is category, another one is cost. Okay, so when we have created category here, it got created as u underscore category. Okay, because we are doing that in global scope. Okay, so we'll pass the category as laptop. Okay, L should be kept. Okay, and the next one is cost, and that is u underscore cost. Okay, and we'll send that as 1003. Okay, now the function is, okay, we'll say response equal to, okay, now we'll use this dt variable dt dot get decision. This is the function dt dot get decision, and this function expects two things. Okay, first is the decision table sysid. Okay, we need to provide the sysid of this. Here is the sysid. Okay, this is the sysid of hardware request routing decision table, so that is our first input. Okay, and the second input is obviously inputs. Okay, okay, now let's run this and print response. Okay, so when we do that, you see that response is a glide record object. Okay, okay, now how can we print the actual result? That is response dot, we need to get the result from the result section, right? So for that we need to do result underscore elements. Okay, dot u underscore assignment underscore group. Why u underscore assignment group? We have given the output name as assignment group. Okay, that's why u underscore assignment group. Okay, let me run this. This is the sysid of hardware L1 to print the display value. I'll just to get display value. Okay, so if I run this, these should be kept. If I run this, I can see hardware L1. Okay, now to print the other output, I just need to change the output variable. Here it should be u underscore approval required. Okay, approval required. Okay, let me just run this. That's true. Okay, because the cost is greater than 1000. Okay, now if I add cost, that is 800. No, that's false, and the group is hardware L2. So this is how we can use it in the script. Okay, we can use it in any server side script.